And from Checkered Chef, our stainless steel cooling baking racks. And for demonstration, I just put some bread on there just so you can see the kind of distance there is between the surface and the rack itself. Of course, you might not use bread or make toast. I guess you can make toast, but great for cookies and baking. Thanks a lot to Thrasio for sending out these products for free and to review. 11 3/4 inch by 8 inch cooling rack, and this is a dual pack or twin pack, so you get 2 of them. Very solid, well made, stainless steel, definitely will hold up and work well. Oven and dishwasher safe, fits a standard 1/4 sheet pan. Okay, so anyway, that's what you're gonna get. That's the packaging for Checkered Chef, but very simple and easy to use, and definitely will work great for cooling anything that you need to cool when you take it out of the oven. Like I said, this is 11 3/4 by 8 inch, so you might have to use 2 of these if you wanted to cool a pizza, or you might need a bigger size. But anyway, very good, well made, and highly recommend. Check it out.